Hello students, I'm Vipul Mittal. Let's discuss a multiple choice question on property, plant and equipment. The carrying amount of a long-lived asset group is not recoverable if it exceeds what? Right. So you may have to do the recoverability assessment, and you do this at the time of impairment testing. Now, recoverability assessment involves determining whether the carrying amount of a long-lived asset is recoverable or not. For example, carrying amount of an asset group is $100,000. This is the carrying amount of this asset group, $100,000. Question is it recoverable or not? And when do you say that carrying amount of a long-lived asset group is not recoverable? When do you say that this $100,000 is not recoverable? It is not recoverable when the carrying amount exceeds the sum of undiscounted cash flows expected to result from the use and disposal of this asset. So what are the expected cash flows from the use of this asset? What are the expected cash flow when you sell this asset? So for example, you intend to use this asset group for 5 years. What are the expected cash flows from use of this asset group for next 5 years? And after 5 years, when you sell this asset, how much cash you will get? Simply sum them up. So you will use this asset for next 5 years, and from use you will get cash flows of $60,000. And also after 5 years, you will sell this asset for $8,000. So it is $68,000. And this $68,000 is less than $100,000. This $100,000 is more than the sum of undiscounted cash flows expected from the use and eventual disposition of the asset. So the carrying amount of long-lived asset group is not recoverable if it exceeds the sum of undiscounted cash flows expected to result from the use and eventual disposition of the asset group. So D is your answer. All right, since hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye.